Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create categories in QuickBooks Online step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners, so if you have zero knowledge of QuickBooks, don't worry, just follow along with me. First, let's quickly understand what categories are. In QuickBooks Online, categories are used to organize your income and expenses. They help you track where your money is coming from and where it's going. For example, you might have categories like rent, office supplies, sales income, or advertising. Now let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser, go to the QuickBooks Online website, and sign in using your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, Expenses, and more. Step 2. Click on Accounting. When you hover or click Accounting, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click Chart of Accounts. This is where all your categories are managed in QuickBooks. Now you'll see a list of existing categories. These are also called accounts. Don't let the word accounts confuse you. In QuickBooks, categories for income and expenses live inside the chart of accounts. Step 3. To create a new category, look for the New button, usually in the top right corner. Click New. A form will open. This is where you enter the details for your new category. First, you'll see Account Type. This is very important. Choose the type that matches what you're creating. For example, if you're adding an expense category like Internet Bill or Travel, select Expenses. If it's money you earn, like Service Income, choose Income. Next is Detail Type. This gives more specific options under the main type. Pick the one that best matches your category. If you're not sure, just choose the closest option. This helps QuickBooks organize your reports correctly. Now, in the Name field, type the name of your category. Make it clear and simple, like Office Supplies or Marketing Costs. You can also add a description, but this is optional. It's useful if you want to remember exactly what this category is for. You'll also see an option for Is Subaccount. This is used if you want to create a subcategory under a main category. For example, you could have a main category called Advertising and subcategories like Facebook Ads and Google Ads. If you want that, check the box and choose the parent category. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've just created a new category in QuickBooks Online. You can repeat these steps to create as many categories as you need for your business. Good categories make your reports clearer and help you understand your finances much better. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.